Hello, welcome to Baking Basics. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing classic chocolate chip cookies. They're so delicious, really simple to make. So you're going to need light muscovado sugar, salted room temperature butter, plain flour and baking powder, 1 medium egg, and chocolate chips of your choosing. Add your sugar to the mixer, and the light muscovado sugar is going to give them a really nice fudgy quality. Pop in the butter. So I'm going to mix that on a medium to high speed so it's nice and creamy. Sometimes when you've got an electric mixer you find the ingredients creep up the side of the bowl, so if that happens just scrape it back down and continue with your mixing. I'm now going to add my egg, and also optional, I'm going to add some vanilla bean paste into mine as well. I love vanilla bean paste, I use it all the time. I'm going to mix this now into the butter and sugar until it's all combined. Add my baking powder to my plain flour. It's going to give that a little bit of a fork through just to kind of distribute it all. I'm just going to dump that in all in one. Give it a gentle mix. So that's come into a dough now. Now I really love dark chocolate chips, but you could substitute these for other things if you prefer. You can use milk chocolate, white chocolate, you can even add nuts. Pop that in and just give it a gentle mix. There we go. What I'm going to do now is just pop that into a bag, chill it for a couple of hours, and then we'll come back when I've cleared away and I'll show you how to ball your cookies up. My dough is nice and chilled, so now I'm going to make it into balls. So I've got a lined baking tray and just basically grab off a nice chunk, and I'm making them kind of like golf ball size, I guess. So just roll them between your palms, pop them onto the tray, and you will need to leave a nice gap in between them, maybe sort of a good inch, because they'll kind of flatten out as they bake. Rollers, and there we go, my final ball. Plenty of room on the tray, so now I'm just going to bake these in the oven, 180 for about 10 to 12 minutes. Now the secret of these cookies is to slightly underbake them so they're nice and chewy. So we'll pop them in, and I'm sure, well, of course I'm going to show you what they look like when they're baked. They're ready. Look at these. Perfect chocolate chip cookies. See, they're slightly fudgy still. Let's have a little break one open. I've got asbestos fingers. Oh, look at those. Ow, burning. Absolutely delicious. So there you have it, classic chocolate chip cookies. Everything you need to make those is just down there. I hope you've enjoyed that and you're going to make your own. Don't mess it up. And I'll see you soon for more Baking Basics. Why do I always go like that in the shoulders afterwards?